Hello and welcome to another Mr. Duncan Google Docs tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do your brochure page setup. So let's get going. So the first thing you want to do is do your page setup because we want this thing in landscape mode. So I go on File and Page Setup, right? And I want to put the document into landscape mode, and I want the margins to be like 1/2 inch or even 1/4 inch is good, but I'll do 1/2 inch because that's easy. So there's that. You can see that it's changed now. We went from portrait mode up and down to landscape mode, which is more side to side. Now there's a couple ways to set up your brochure. I like to use a table just to show me where my columns are, and it makes it easier to insert images, text, etc. So, and there's also a couple ways to do that. Today I'm going to show you how to do a page at a time by doing a 3x1 table. So 3 columns in 1 row. So I'm going to go Table, Insert Table, 3, and here it is. So this will be my first page, which if you look at the template we made in class out of a piece of paper, over here is going to be number 1, or the cover. This will be number 6, or the contact page, right? And let me put a number 1 over here to be consistent. And this will be number 5, okay? So that's not much of a table. So let's make this the size of a page. And I want to pull this down so it doesn't quite go to the bottom 1/2 inch margin. So I can look up here and go, okay, a little bit more. I can click in here, and then I want to insert a page break. So I'm going to go Insert, Page Break, and now my cursor is down on the next page. I'm going to do the same thing again. Table, Insert Table, a 3x1. Once again, I'm going to pull it down till it's just above rather, the bottom margin. And then I'm going to label it according to my paper. So this would be number 4, number 3, and number 2. And that's it. It's that simple to lay out your brochure. The only thing I would encourage you to do is that when you're done with your table, I want you to delete these numbers before you turn it in, and I want you to right click, go to Table Properties, and I want you to turn the borders off by either putting the border to 0, that's one way, or changing the color to white, okay? And by going okay, ta-da, the lines are gone. You've got a great looking brochure. I'm going to put that back now. And we'll do it this way. They're back. One more time, Table Properties. You can set this to 0. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on the Mr. Duncan Show. Bye-bye.